I'm Eugene from Agro, and we take part in AGRO SHOW in Poznan, Poland. We have a lot of new gadgets to present here. First one is double scalper, stationary double scalper for advanced pre-cleaning. You can separate big impurities here with this first sieve, and light impurities go through the second sieve to the bottom, and here you have all the cleaned grain. Also we have a seed treater with controlling all the doses here on peristaltic pump. It's from 1 till 3 tons per hour, and this double scalper is 12 tons per hour of wheat. Also we have a new model from a standard line of separators. It's ALS10. It actually makes 5 tons per hour of planting material, 10 tons per hour of trading material or second sort, and 15 tons per hour in pre-cleaning mode. It's much better in transportation because you can deliver it just on the standard pallet, and it has no boundaries in transportation all around Europe and the world. Also we have a new option for all kind of separators, all models. It's ULF. It's like light traction catcher. You could say that it's a much cheaper solution as Cyclone because it makes the same function. It catches all the light fractions like chaff or parts of the ground or sand, and you can put it back here and collect it here. And also, as always, we have a scalper connected to the ALS aerodynamic separator. You can exchange sieves here and make pre-cleaning. Also, it's very good for ecological grain and very small seeds like herb seeds and other small seeds.